A 22-year-old woman presents to lightheadedness. Earlier that day, she had her first job interview. This is the classic thing that you get in such questions. She had her first interview. What happens when you guys go on a first exam, first day of the exam? Like your universities, if your university, your university step one, or any exam, you get nervous, right? And you start breathing like rapidly. So same thing happened with her. Yeah, anxiety, exactly. So it was the first job interview, so she was of course nervous. And while waiting outside, she began to feel nervous. They have written this, and she began breathing really fast. This is a standard panic attack. This is the explanation of panic attack, guys. So she began faint. This is the classic panic attack case. So what is responsible for a symptom? Now, for answering this question, you need to know what a panic attack is. So first of all, breathing in, what does breathing in or inspiration mean? It means taking in oxygen, right? We all know this from our school time. Breathing out means taking out carbon dioxide, right? So in panic disorder, what happens is your breathing rate increases basically. So there will be increased exhalation of CO2. Yeah, of course there will be increased inhalation of oxygen, but that doesn't cause any symptom. But this carbon dioxide is excessively extruded from your body because you are breathing so fast that carbon dioxide gets quickly, reduced in the blood. So in the blood, the partial pressure of carbon dioxide will decrease, right? Now you should know that carbon dioxide is an acidic gas. It gives carbonic acid when it reacts with water. So of course it's acidic. So this will lead, so decrease in what does decrease in partial pressure of CO2 lead to? It will lead to alkalosis. You guys know alkalosis. If you don't know what alkalosis and acidosis mean, this is a very important topic in your pathology, and you should learn it as quick as possible. It basically just means as it sounds. Alkalosis means the blood pH goes up, and acidosis means blood pH goes down, then 7. So now decrease in CO2 results in cerebral vasoconstriction. This is a well-known fact. Like whenever there is a decrease in CO2 in your blood, your cerebral vessels constrict. If you don't know this, write down. And how to remember this. This is just to remember this may or may not be true. So brain is getting enough oxygen when you're breathing excessively, right? So it doesn't need so much oxygen. So what it does is it constricts its vessels. This is how I remember. This is not true, guys. This is not true. There is a well-known mechanism in this. You can read it. It is very detailed thing, not important, out of our scope. But decrease in CO2 basically leads to cerebral vasoconstriction. So what happened in this patient was that she was excessively breathing, and there was severe decrease in CO2, which led to severe decrease in cerebral perfusion because like she was hyperventilating and it went out of auto-regulation range. That led to what happens when your brain doesn't get enough blood? You faint. So that's what happened with her. So now what is responsible for a symptom? Decreased arterial PCO2. That should be simple to answer.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.